So let's say we have a cliff like this, and we have a lighthouse that sits on top of the cliff. The top of the lighthouse is 41 meters above the water. So this entire distance is 41 meters. The angle of depression, right, made to a small sailboat somewhere in the water, this is 22 degrees, right? How would you find the distance from the sailboat to the base of the cliff? Okay, so really this has to keep going all the way up to here, right? So the way you would solve this question, right, you want to find this distance, which is x, right? The fact that this is at the top of the lighthouse doesn't really matter, right? The overall distance, because the lighthouse will be near the edge of the cliff like this, right? This entire height is all we need. Because this is our angle of depression, 90 minus 22 would be this angle. So then we have our opposite and adjacent side, right? So all you have to do is then use tangent, right, to isolate for x, and you'll be able to find it.